G'day viewers, this is Troy from the Troy's Digital Arts channel. Here's the latest update on my His Master's Voice F5A6 black and white tele restoration. In the last video I mentioned I was going to swap the vertical output valve, the 6BM, the 6BM8 valve for one of the other 6BM8 valves in the audio amplification circuitry to see if any of those ones are actually better, because the original valve could be a bit weak. Well, anyway, I've swapped for one of them, and turns out it turns out to be even worse than the original valve. So, but anyway, I've got one more to try, and I'm going to swap that around and see what happens. So I'm just going to stop the video, swap for the other 6BM8 valve and see if I get better or worse or same results. Okay viewers, just swap the valve over for the other 6BM8 valve in the audio circuit, and up pops the picture. Yeah, it also looks pretty crappy too, rather stretched and everything. So it looks like the original valve is actually much better, running much better than these audio valves. So yeah, the linearity is off, it's stretched at the top and all that. Alright, so what I'm going to do is put the original valve back in, and yeah, I should have the original picture. Just going to stop the video now and replace the valves. Got to let them cool down a bit too. Bloody hell, they were hot. Okay viewers, I've put the original valve back in. Just waiting for the set to warm up. Should pop up any... Yep, here we go. Alright, so now the picture, I've just lowered the height to its lowest with the other valves, and it was pretty much still stretched at the tops and the bottoms. Oh yeah, the height's at its lowest, and yeah, I'm just trying to look at the top and the bottom and compare pretty much. They look quite similar. Actually, no, yeah, the top does still look a bit stretched compared to the bottom. Well, anyway, I'm going to buy myself a good working 6BM5 valve, and put that in and see what happens, and see if there is an improvement in the picture. Otherwise I'm going to have to be playing around with some resistor and capacitor values to try and improve the vertical linearity at the top of the picture. So let's just adjust the height so it's back to its normal. I pretty much adjusted so the bottom one just touches the bottom part of the circle, touches the bottom of the tube, and yeah, the top part of the tube is just a bit stretched. Alrighty, well, turns out that those two valves are weaker than the original valve. Anyway, yeah, don't need to repeat myself, but yeah, just got to buy another 6BM8 valve, put it in, see what happens. If it doesn't improve things, play around with resistor and capacitor values. I'm repeating myself. Alright, yeah, that's pretty much about it for this video. The picture's definitely looking better and better as I further improve things. Stay tuned for my next update on my progress with this TV restoration. This is Troy from the Troy's Digital Arts channel, signing out.